You gotta do it again.
All right, I got you. So shouts out to Arailyus and Arailyus Kingdom. But so if you ever do your YouTube intro, your content, whatever, it'll be like ARAILYUSK.
I love that.
That thing is fire.
Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I did a natural hair video, well, a Sisterlock video. So here we go. I think my hair is finally grown out long enough to do this style. I have been ready to do this style for so long. If y'all do not know who Ari Lennox is, she is a singer. I absolutely love her. She is signed to the Dreamville label. That's J. Cole's label. She just came out with a new single called Smoke, and I absolutely love it. I don't know if it's because the video is in a mental hospital, but I love it. But her signature high puff, oh my God, I think that is so cute. So I am gonna stop talking so y'all can enjoy. But yes, y'all, like, I think, well, y'all will see what it looked like at the end, but it came out so cute. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Have you tried this style? Will you try this style? And yeah, I'm gonna include my look too. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the full look down below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.